Go.
I went to do going to do Elsa.
That's right. We're going to be drawing.
Have Elsa on me.
We're going to be drawing Elsa, Summer's favorite Disney princess. You ready to draw? We hope you follow along and enjoy. Let's get ready. You've got to tell everyone what you're using to draw. What are we using? We're using our markers, our little Sharpies, and we're going to be using our markers to colour in. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw Elsa's eyes, and we're going to draw 2 circles in the middle. You ready? What should I do? 1 circle. A little bit more inside. No, this way. There we go. Yeah, right there. Try a perfect circle as best as you can. Very good. Now I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to try and make it the same size. Yep, right there. Try and make it the same size. Very good. And then we're going to draw 2 smaller circles in the top corner. Very good. And then a smaller one at the bottom corner. Great. And then same with the other side.
And I'm going to draw another one in the middle.
That's right. We're going to draw another one, but we're only going to draw the sides of it. We're not going to go all the way into the white circles, just the sides like that. And that's going to make our Elsa's eyes nice and sparkly. Oh yeah, we need colour in the middle. Thank you, Summer.
They're the same. We have holes in it, don't we?
Yeah, good job. I like it. Your eyes look very good.
Let's put some eyelashes.
Right, we're going to be drawing, we'll draw some eyelashes on Elsa too. We're going to draw a little smile, and I'm going to put my smile a little bit to the side here. I'm gonna put
Can you do it normal?
Yeah, you can do it normal in the middle.
In the middle.
Yeah, very good. I like it. Nice, big smile. And then we're going to draw some eyelashes, but first we're going to draw a little line on top of the eye, and it's going to curve a little bit, like that.
There's like a boy.
We're going to give her eyelashes. So you're going to draw just a little line across and just curve it a little bit. That's it. Very good. Same on the other side. Try to do it exactly the same because eyes are the same on either side. Nope. You went through her eye. That's okay. We're going to do some eyelashes. Look how I'm drawing my eyelash. I'm drawing just a small little flick. Just small, slowly. Good job, good eyelashes. You want to keep them the same size, but you did really good there.
I forgot these.
No, hang on. We're gonna do the bottom now. You just do a little line at the bottom, a little line at the bottom.
Why do we do that?
Because when we color our Elsa, we're gonna leave a little bit of white space. Just a little line. Very good. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna start drawing Elsa's head. We're gonna draw a little line on the side.
This is sneaky.
We're gonna draw a line. It's a sneaky.
Yeah, sneaky Elsa.
Sneaky Elsa. No, she's gonna be a pretty Elsa. 2 little lines on either side of her eye. Just short ones, about the same size of her eye, and it goes in just a little bit. Very good.
Yeah.
A little bit more inside. Yeah, there. Very good. Can you make yours a little bit longer? Awesome job. And that side too. Now we're going to connect those with her chin.
Cut.
We're going to curve it. I like to turn my paper to the side.
Why?
And I just find it easier to draw a curve like that. But you can draw it how you like to. Yeah, it's kind of sideways. So I'm going to do mine. You right? You ready? What should I do?
The cut looks like I'm laying down on the beach.
Yeah. Are you going to draw it?
Yeah.
Good job. You connect it. Remember, it must go down, around, and then up again. So you don't want a corner.
Yeah. You don't want a straight or corner.
That's right. You want to curve it. Yes. Good job. That's an amazing job. High five for that one. Brilliant work.
And then we're going to do the same.
Yeah. I'm going to draw our ears first quickly so we can get the ears out the way. And it's just 2 round shapes, kind of like this letter C, like a K for cat. Great job. You're doing so well. I really like your Elsa. It looks awesome. Now I'm going to do what I call a reference point. And it's a little point that I know where to join my next line.
You're going to do
Pew! Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Right there. Perfect. Pew! But I'm going to do kind of slowly. Right, you ready? Okay, I'm going to go up and then down. So I need to make sure I know where my point is. Like that. Yeah, and then make sure you can see your point. Whoa, big one. That's okay, that's fine. It's really good. Big forehead like me. All right, now we're gonna draw a flick, and there's a little bit of a hair on the front, and it goes like this. Gonna go up and down and flick.
Mine looks like the same as yours.
Looks really good. Perfect. And then we're gonna, from the tip of the flick, we're gonna come back inside to where we started. So you're gonna come around and then back to this point, but you're gonna leave some space at the top. You can do it like that. Good job. And then I'm gonna join this side here. So you're gonna join about to there. So that's the point you wanna try join. You're gonna go all the way down. Nice smooth curve. Good job. Now we've got to draw the top of her head.
I love her head.
It's a love heart, Elsa head. So we're going to draw a nice big circle from her ear to her other ear. And again, we just want a nice smooth curve. Okay, so what should I do? I'm just going to smooth curve.
It looks like my squishy head.
Yeah. Okay. That is so good. You're getting so good at your curves because we're having fun and practicing. That's good. Okay, so now we want to draw some lines for her hair. So these lines, sorry, I'm going too fast for you. I'm going to go from the center point there, and it's going to curve round and up, round and up. We're just going to do maybe 4 or 5, and then round, very good. And then another one, very good. Okay, and try to do one coming, let me see, coming round and maybe to there and curve it like that. Very good, very good. Awesome job. Now we are ready to move. Oh, I'm just gonna draw some little eyebrows.
Me too.
You wanna draw some eyebrows? Great job. She's looking so good, Summer.
Let's have a wedding dress.
Yeah, we're gonna draw with a nice big dress. So we're gonna.
It's a nice big wedding dress.
Wedding dress. Okay. Okay, we're gonna draw her neck now. So we're gonna draw 2 lines.
Straight lines.
2 straight lines. Out like that. A little bit more out. There we go. Yeah, about there. 1 line down. Yep. And another one. Great job. And then we're going to draw a straight line, and it's going to end about here. We're going to draw a straight line to there, just under her cheek, and another one to there, just on either side of her neck. And then the other side. Good job. Amazing. And then we're going to curve a line. It goes down like that and down like that. Kind of looks like an ulna. Good. Great job, great job. Now we're going to draw the letter V on her neck, and that's going to be her dress line. Like that.
It's like a diamond on there.
Oh yeah, it's very nice, isn't it? And now we're going to draw her waist coming in. So to there and to there. So 2 straight lines coming inside. So you can start there to about there, and another one here to about there. Join those lines. Very good. And then I'm going to join this line. I'm going to put a little bit of a curve in it, but you can do a straight line if you want. You can just join those 2. Good job. I like it. Now we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming out the other way. So like that. And like that. Yeah, on that corner. There you go. Come out. There you go.
No.
And then the next one come to about there. Good straight lines. Well, then I'm going to add 2 more, but not all the way up. Okay, you want a few more on this side. See where I drew it? More on the other side. about here to there. So you can draw that line. Very good. You can make this line a little bit longer too, about there. Good job. That line doesn't matter. It's fine that because it's where her dress gets a bit crumply at the bottom. I'm gonna make mine a bit longer too. So
I think I'm going to do some waves.
you can do waves if you like. I'm just curving mine a little bit. That's it. Keep joining to the corner. Amazing job. Good job. And now what we're going to do...
Normal wedding dress.
Yeah, it does. We're going to draw a line that comes down. And these are arms coming down. So join them to about here. And they're going there. Sorry, I'm drawing a big one. Okay, yep, that's enough. Okay, cool. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down towards the dress, but not touching it. Good job. And a little round bit like that. A little round bit like that. And then we're going to draw her hands on her sides.
She can't have none hands.
Yeah, she got some hands. And then I'm going to draw another line underneath. Good
She's got
job.
the necklace.
You want to draw a necklace?
Yeah.
You can draw some little beads, maybe little circles, and connect them all on the edges. That can be some necklace. Yeah, very good. I like it. Now we're going to draw her hair. Her hair is going to be really fun. We're going to draw a long line, and then we're going to draw her plait along this line like that. Sure. So we're going to try curve it nice and smooth. Yep. Yep. Good. You can make it a little bit longer. Curve it. Look, wait.
Curve it.
Yeah, curve it down a little bit over here. Good. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna draw the letter V on a long. Yeah, that's right. How we draw little letter V's down and up. But we're gonna draw it like this. I'm gonna draw it. It must be. It needs to follow the line like an arrow. So we're gonna draw letter V like that, and another one. Okay, and then draw a bit bigger over here. Look how big mine are. Look at my big V. Okay, so you want to draw it from here down. Not so many, because that's, look at mine, see? If you need to look what I'm doing. That's a little too many V's, but carry on, just space them out a bit more, okay? You're doing really good. Space them out more, space them out. You want to create more space between your V's, because we're going to curve these lines. Very good. That's a very good one. Great job, that's it. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to draw a curve that joins the lines.
After you want that.
Yeah, watch what I do. Which I'm going to, from the side of the last one.
Oh, looks like an orb.
Kind of looks like a heart a little bit.
And then things hearts.
And then I'm going to draw a little hairband at the bottom. So you want to draw.
Does her colour.
Yeah, I'm going to help you with the first couple. So we're going to draw it like that. And then you're going to go up and down. Up and down. And then keep. Yes, that's just like that. Perfect. Remember, you want to curve it. You don't want any sharp edges. You want it to be nice and soft and smooth. That's it. Very good. You're getting there. It's a very tricky thing, isn't it? Trying to draw a plait. Remember? Curve it out so you got smooth edges. There you go. And then you can draw a line under this, and it's going to be the hairband. And then connect. We want to just connect those two. And then draw the last bit, which is a pointy one. Good job, nice. Look at that long plait you drew. And it looks like a plait too. It's so good, Summer. I'm going to add a few more details. I want to add a line around her neck. Just to add some more details in. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can add a couple. I'm going to add a seam to her dress. Great job. Okay, you ready to color? And that is our Elsa. Do you like your Elsa?
Yeah.
I think you did an amazing job. So good. So nice. High five for you. And this one too, because you did awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sure all of your Elsas are just as beautiful as ours.
Yeah.
Catch you next time. Bye.